Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Air and let me share with you how to fix up crashing. Alright, so first of all, if you've got the problems with a specific app, I highly recommend to clear cache and forcefully stop it. So let's pretend I've got problems with Google Chrome. So tap on it and hold it, and then tap on App Info. We will be directly transferred to this app section. So first of all, go to storage and cache, and here we've got something called cache, and basically those are junk files which are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage of the app. Moreover, they might interfere sometimes. So simply tap on clear cache, and after that tap on force stop, because sometimes if the app is working in the background even though it is not shown in the recents, it might cause some problems. So just force stop it, and after that, after those two operations, you can try to open it. If that didn't work, I highly recommend to repeat the gestures. So the operation. So remove cache if some cache were saved, and force stop it, and then restart your device. So press the power button and the volume up button together once, just like that, and then tap on restart. Basically, this operation will confirm all of the changes. Another thing which I highly recommend to do is to check for the updates, because sometimes if there is an older version of the app, it might have some problems. So simply go to the Play Store. Now we can either go to updates or simply tap on search and enter the name of the app, so in my case Chrome. So let me just find it, and here we've got the Chrome, we've got the information that it is installed, and next to it we've got this option update. It will be shown if obviously the update is available. So I highly recommend tap on update. After that, you can also restart your device and check whether it worked. Sometimes, however, overwriting the new version over the older one might cause some problems also. So another thing which I highly recommend to do if the update didn't work is to come back to this section here, tap on Uninstall to completely remove the app from your device, and then after the successful operation, come back here and tap on Install, because sometimes downloading and installing the newest version directly is much better than overwriting the older one. And as a last resort, I also highly recommend to check the system updates, because sometimes the older versions might have some problems with opening newer apps which are optimized for newer systems. So let's go to the settings. Here in the settings, we have to scroll all the way down and find System, and here tap on System Update. Oh, sorry, so you have to give all the permissions it needs, and now your device will check for the updates. And if you've got the update pending, I really highly recommend to tap on download or install here and apply the update. And after that, try to, for example, download the Chrome again, etc. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.